How fast does rainfall raise the water table? Imagine a heavy rainstorm soaking into the ground. Have you ever wondered how quickly that water makes its way underground and raises the level of the water table? Well, the speed depends on several factors. If the water table is close to the surface, rainwater can reach it in just a few hours or days. This is because the soil and rocks above are not very thick or impermeable, allowing water to seep down quickly. Think of sandy soils or gravel, which let water pass through easily. When rain falls on such ground, the water can reach the water table fast, causing a noticeable rise soon after the rain stops. But if the water table is deep underground, it takes much longer for rainwater to make a difference. Water has to travel through many layers of soil and rock that might be less permeable. In these cases, the water slowly percolates down over weeks or even months. The rate of rise depends on how easily water can move through the soil, which is called permeability. For example, clay soils have low permeability, so water moves very slowly, and the water table responds gradually. Another important factor is the specific yield of the aquifer. This is how much water the ground can release when the water table drops or rises. If the aquifer has a high specific yield, a small rise in water level can mean a lot of water moving underground. This helps us estimate how much the water table will change after a rainfall. Climate also plays a role. In humid regions with frequent and heavy rain, the water table can rise by hundreds of millimeters each year. Tropical rainforests, for example, often see water tables rise over 100 millimeters annually. In contrast, in dry or arid climates, the rise might be only a few millimeters per year. For instance, in desert areas, the water table might only go up by about 6 millimeters annually, even after heavy rains. Understanding how fast rainfall affects the water table is important for managing groundwater resources. It helps us predict flood risks, plan for water supply needs, and maintain ecosystems. Monitoring water levels after rainfalls gives us clues about how quickly groundwater is recharging. This information is used to decide how much water we can safely extract from wells or how to protect groundwater from overuse. In summary, the rise of the water table after rainfall can happen in just hours when the water table is shallow, or it can take many months or even years when it is deep underground. Soil type, permeability, climate, and aquifer properties all influence this process. Knowing these details helps us better manage our water resources and understand the hidden underground world beneath our feet.